welcome back to our channel. This is Miss A, Classy Beauty Savvy, and today we will do our very first ever sinking funds envelope stuffing video. So if you haven't seen how I unboxed this one at ang setup ng ating sinking funds, I've already created a video about that yesterday. I'll be linking it up in the iCard so you can check it out. And so, nandito na nakalatag ang ating mga bills that we will be putting inside the envelope. So if you want to see more videos like this, guys, because I'll be doing this every payday na, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends na mahilig din mag-budget. So today, here are the sinking funds that we will be filling. Ayan. So meron na tayo ng mga budget sheets for each sinking funds, and tinanggal ko muna sila dito sa ating envelope wallet kasi na-set up ko na to at marami ditong mga personal things na. So I just have to take this one out para mas madali din natin silang ma-set up. So let me just put it over here and let me just lay it down for you guys. So let's just move it towards this side. I will only be filling up, ilan ba to? One. Actually, this one is a special folder. Let me just talk about that later on. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we only have to put some money sa ating 4 sinking funds, and the other sinking funds will be naman allotted sa aking second payday, so that naka-divide yung ating sinking funds. Okay, so let's start. The first one I have, I've also listed down the amounts ng ating ilalagay sa sinking funds, like that, para mas alam ko kung ano yung mga allot per folder. So I suggest when you do sinking funds, do something like this as well, para hindi kayo malito or maguluhan. There. Okay, so now let's start with self-care. So I'll be making a separate video explaining why these are my sinking funds, because para ma-explain ko sa inyo what these each or what each sinking fund means to me. So ayan, ito yung self-care natin, and this is our budget sheet. So let's fill this one out first. Our date today is January 7 na ngayon, love. 7, 21, and then our description would be first pay, and then the amount is plus. Lalagay natin kung plus or minus. I hope you can see that. Let me just zoom you in. Ayan, medyo malabo lang. First pay, 400. Ang ilalagay nating amount. Yan. So, ang current balance niya is 400. There. Ganyan lang kasimple. At least naka-take note siya dyan. And now, let's go and put the money in. Alright. Let's just get 400 from our stash of money. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you. And then just put it in. Yan. So, madali lang siya, oh. Ganyan lang. There we go. We got the 400 peso in. And that's for my self-care envelope. Okay, let's move on to the next one. We have fashion. Okay, so for fashion naman, this is my fashion folder. We are going to put 800 in here. So let's write it down first. There you go. Uh-oh. go. Alright. Now we're gonna get 800. 500. 1, 2, 3. 800. Okay. 100, 200, 300, 500. We will put it in the folder. Okay, give me a moment. And this is so fun to do. If you haven't done envelope way of saving, guys, you are missing out. Okay, ang next natin ay food. There, and food, we will be putting 2,000 for food. So again, gonna write the details for my record. 121 first pay plus 2,000. 2,000. Yan. You see that? Right. Now let's get 2,000. 1, 2. There you go. Put it inside the folder for the envelope. That's for the food one. And the very last one I will be putting in would be, isa-stuff natin si medical na folder. Okay. Let's write some things down first. Okay. 01. And medical will get 200. 200 pesos. There we go. And we get the last 2,000 or 200 bill. And we'll put it inside our account or wallet. Ay, not wallet. Envelope. Yan. Yan. I-move nyo siya away from the hole para magamit nyo siya ng maayos later on. There we go. Now, why do we still have money here? 1,000 will be allotted for my online shopping budget at wala akong folder for that kasi ilalagay ko siya sa ating dito, sa gilid ng ating wallet dito, somewhere here. Okay, para madali lang siyang makuha. And then, because I've already placed some orders online again, there's some of my important or favorite things to do. So this one is for online. And the other one is, or this remaining one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Itong 9,000, we will be placing it sa ating money box kasi para to sa bangko. I have to deposit this. Bayad to ng bahay namin. So, it should be 27,000 na dapat yun nandun kasi 2 months na siyang naipon. So, let me just count it. Ayan. So, let me just show you the money box. Ayan, nakikita nyo to. I reviewed this last time. So, may mga wallets lang tayo doon. And dito ko tinatago yung ipang de-deposit sa bahay. Yan. And I already have the details nandito ko lang nilagay sa piece of paper. So, 18,000 to dapat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And then, we have to get the 9,000 that we will be putting here, putting aside. This one. Ayan. So we will put the 9,000 here, and this will make it 27. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. There we go. This is for the bahay, for the back. Yan. So we'll just place it here, and we will update our listahan. Moment, please. Yan. I'll just get the marker. Is 01 07 2021 27 pesos. There we go. And we just have to put it back here. Para meron akong physical note there. And these are just my extra cash na tinatago lang. There we go. And now, let me explain to you my business folder. Although wala akong physical na ilalagay sa kanya, I will still write something on it kasi nasa account ko pa siya eh. So that I won't forget. I'll just withdraw that soon. So today is 7. First pay. I'll be putting 570 na lang para walang barya. Yan. Yes. There we go. Nasa account ko pa siya. Hindi ko pa siya na-withdraw. Here, I'll take note of it. There you go, fam. And this is my online money. There we go, fam. Thank you so much for watching our first ever envelope stuffing for this cut-off. And I'll definitely see you again sa next part ng ating envelope stuffing. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!